Hotel Marvel is located in the northwest of Corfu in the village of Arillas. The Marvel is a family-run hotel and is well known for its warm welcome from Kostas and his family and is popular with returning guests. The hotel features its own swimming pool surrounded by a sun terrace. There is also a children's splash pool next to the main pool area. The Marvel has newly refurbished rooms featuring a shower room with a hairdryer. All of the rooms have views towards the village or over the pool. Breakfast is available in the hotel's bar and Taverna area, where you will be able to enjoy a home-cooked meal to start the day. The hotel is just a short walk from the seafront, where the sandy beach stretches out either side of the jetty. Supermarkets and bars can be found on the road down to the beach, which is one of the best places on the island to see the sunset. Half-board options are also available, and in the evening you will be able to enjoy home-cooked dishes from the hotel's kitchen. The Marvel has a newly refurbished bar area located right next to the hotel's pool with its impressive light display. Outside, there is a terrace with the hotel's feature, Love Island, which also has a seating area, located in the middle of the pool. Please contact us to book directly for your holiday at the Marvel Hotel in Arillas.